host for today, and welcome to a new season of General Grammarists. Every week we'll be discussing on the topic and reach out our guests to share with us their comments on the topic of the day. So if you have anything spicy to share with us, do call in our hotline 1900-112 German. So our topic for the day is on teens who buy branded goods. Without further ado, let me introduce our guest for today, Ms. Jane Tan from the Youth Association of Singapore. Hi, Ms. Tan.
Hi!
Well, Ms. Tan, we heard that you've been currently doing a project that proved that teenagers who buy branded goods just to gain popularity among peers.
Yes, you are right, Ms. Chua. In fact, I have completed a survey with students from Ngee Polytechnic, and I would like to share the outcome with you viewers at home.
So let's go! Alright, can you have the statistics, please?
As you all can see, this information already proves that the teens use branded goods just to gain popularity. But because this is a professional research, we cannot just rely on surveys to conclude.
I see. So, hold on, Ms. Tan. I think we've called on the hotline. Let me get that, please.
Okay.
How should I address you?
Miss Tan?
Okay, Miss Tan, do you support teens who buy branded goods?
Yes. Cause it's very common. It's now branded goods is not very expensive nowadays.
Do you think any problem will arise if teens buy branded goods?
No.
Why?
No, because nowadays teenagers are working as part-time for their own stuff, so they will know how to control.
Do you believe that working part-time will actually affect the studies?
Not really. Depends whether they have their time management or not.
Generally, many teens believe that branded goods will actually make them more attractive. What's your opinion on this?
I think, yes, people will look you in different views.
People generally think that teens should not work as they will spend their money on goods that are not a necessity. What's your take on this, Miss Tan?
I don't agree with it. Because it's their own money. They will have to know what they should buy and don't buy.
Do you know of anyone who has money problem but still insists on buying branded goods?
Yes. Like, because their friends are having all those stuff and they wanted to have their stuff.
Do you think it's the correct mindset?
No, they will end up stealing.
Okay, thank you, Miss Tan.
Welcome.
Well, that was a very useful comment from our caller, and I suppose that can be included in part of the research too, right?
Yes, certainly.
Well, our topic is getting hotter and hotter, so let's take a commercial break to chill off and relax. So we'll be back after the break with an interview by reporter Edmund, so stay tuned.
C-MAX ギャツビームービングラバー。
Hello, Mr. Guan. I'm Edmund of Ngee Poly and doing an interview for our project. First of all, I'd like to ask you, do you support teen buying branded goods?
I don't think so. Because those teens who buy branded goods usually go out and shop with other friends. And I hate people who boast around.
Do you think any problem will arise?
Boasting, stealing especially. Yeah. Because branded goods, as you have said, branded goods means very expensive goods. And then usually people get jealous, especially their peers around. And then when they get jealous, they think that, oh, I don't have all these branded goods, so what should I do? I don't have enough money. So the best way is to steal. Yeah.
Do you think teens with branded goods naturally make them more attractive?
I don't think so. When I see teens holding branded goods, I always think them as high class people. When high class people, I always think them as old school people.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Lester.
Okay, no problem.
Good evening, Mr. Chow. I would like to ask you a question. Through your interaction with teens and their parents, what do you think about teens buying branded goods?
Branded goods.
Yeah.
If you ask me, first of all, I'm not very familiar with a lot of branded goods unless the ones that's being advertised. But if you ask me whether I notice any students wearing branded goods, I would say no, not really. Unless it is visibly embossed on the bag, say for example Gucci or Fendi or whatever other brands. Otherwise, if there's no such symbols, I wouldn't be able to take any notice.
Mr. Chow, have you ever met with any students before that they actually have to work themselves just to get the more branded goods?
You mean say like the poly first year, second year students, 17, 18-year-old? Oh yeah, I have many, quite a lot. I don't have the numbers, but it's quite, I think quite common knowledge. They work, and a lot of them, and I say a lot, I mean quite a large number of them, they work not to pay the bills, but they not to pay the bills in terms of rental or food or whatever. It's more for luxury items. Yes, that one is a yes.
Will it affect their studies?
Yeah, the one so far I encountered, yes, it did affect the studies. Yeah, because they did not work at all. So when I found out why they work, it's more to buy things.
Thank you, Mr. Chow.
No worries.
Good afternoon, Miss Bay. I would like to do a short interview on you.
Okay.
The first question I wanted to ask is, today many teens believe that buying branded goods will naturally attract more friends. What's your take on this?
I think buying branded goods will attract more friends. That's my point of view. Because it's like now everything is based on fashion and how you go with the flow. So I think if you buy branded goods, I don't see any problem with that because just because you want to get up the social ladder.
Many teens nowadays actually work after school or during the holidays to financially support themselves to buy branded goods. Do you think it will affect their studies?
Well, I mean, if they can manage their time between work and studies, I don't see why it will be a problem to them in their studies.
Personally, are you a branded good user?
Of course.
Do you think branded goods are being more, so-called, being cheaper than
Well,
the past?
it's getting cheaper now that many companies are coming up. I mean, you can get branded tops for like less than $20 now. Yeah, so I think it's getting cheaper because of competitions from various companies.
Do you think any problem will actually arise if teenagers actually start to buy more and more branded goods?
Well, I don't see what problem will come about because it's also helping the financial economy flow. I mean, this is called what's it called again? I mean, you contribute to the society by buying the stuff that the companies have to offer. So I think it will benefit the country instead.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Well, Ms. Tan, do you have anything to add after all those videos and interviews? Or perhaps add some further comments and research or perhaps give some advice to teens out there?
Yes, a piece of advice to teens out there. You don't have to buy branded goods just to look appealing to people. It's your true self that matters the most.
Very well said. Short and sweet. Well, thank you for being with us today and we've come to today's show, people, so we hope to see you again next week, same time, same day. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.